Here are 5 ways you can upcycle clothes that you don't wear anymore. But this shade of yellow, it's just not really speaking to me. And this is what it looks like. This is so easy, I can do this 100 times. And then sew that on. Let's see if that looks good. An hour to have a new piece of clothing. I'll do it. You take the hoodie. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I like your thing. Where did you get it? You can say, I made it. What's up? Yo. Hey. Have you guys been enjoying the weekly videos recently? Personally, I've been having fun. I've been feeling like... Ready and go. Today, the notebook is back again. I'm nearing the end. We're upcycling clothes today. Just like the Shark DIY hoodie, I have a mountain of abandoned fashion projects that I thought, hold on, I should just do them in one video and show you guys how I upcycle clothes. But then also, I get to do all the things I haven't done. Boom, 2 birds, 1 stone. Here are 5 ways you can upcycle clothes that you don't wear anymore to make them wearable again. Way number 1, dyeing clothes. If it's fabric, you can dye it. A bag, a t-shirt, jeans, a jean, a hoodie. For this example, hold on, if you guys watched my massive thrift haul, I showed you this dress, and I know I'm not really the dress wearing type, but I have a vision for this. So I have this dress. Maybe in like 2005, this would have been so sick. But this shade of yellow, it's just not really speaking to me. Here's my vision. Dyed khaki tights, leg warmers, boots, a fleece or jacket. If I had fur boots, I'd wear fur boots. Do you see what I'm, are you communicating with me? Yeah, I'll show you the results for everything. The only thing is I can't walk you through exactly how I did it because it's different for each dye that you use. This is the dye that I used. You wash it, put it in, and then you hope for the best. And this is what it looks like. OMG. Hope it looks great. Okay, way number 2. Sewing patches on clothes. This is my number 1 favorite way. I have an example. This is the first time I did it, actually. I cut up a pair of old jeans and made them into shorts and leg warmers. And then I used the remaining denim material to make this starch top. And then I realized, hold on, this is so easy. I can do this 100 times. I mean, it's straightforward. It does take like an hour, but an hour to have a new piece of clothing. I'll do it. You can either use iron-on patches that already exist and iron them on stuff, or sew them on stuff. You can make your own patches from like what I did, where you take scrap material and cut out shapes. Or I cut out the letters from an existing t-shirt I didn't wear anymore to rearrange them to put on a different hoodie. Let me show you another example. I did this and sewed some stars on. Then this hoodie, I made my little character. Oh my god, this is my favorite bit. On the hood, it has stars. You cover the eyes and it has little swirls. I'm gonna still make something with you. First up, I'm gonna take some red fabric and cut around the shape. Then I wanna get like the flesh. The flesh color? The apple flesh color. And then we just need the brown seeds. A little stem as well. Sew it all together. Again, you can use fabric glue. And then sew that on. And let's see if that looks good. That's my idea. Hopefully that it looks cute. Way number 3, bleaching clothes. There are some disclaimers. 1, be safe. 2, open a window, don't die. 3, make sure your clothes aren't too old. You don't want it to fully disintegrate. Just like with dyeing, you can bleach anything and everything. We're gonna bleach a t-shirt because I have too many plain t-shirts that I think, oh, I could put something on this, and then I don't. I think I'm gonna do this one actually. The Scott Pilgrim t-shirt. But yeah, I just think some stars would look really cute on this. To get different shades, dilute it with water. Also, just to like bring out some more detail, I'm gonna use some fabric marker. It's gonna be a lot like when you're putting your eyeliner on and then you have to keep making it bigger and bigger. So I would say just like start small and then build up. Way number 4, wearing things the wrong way. It's fun. My number 1 way is wearing dungarees the wrong way. Let me just off the top of my head list off a bunch of different ways. Leg warmers as hand warmers. Hand warmers as leg warmers. A dress as a skirt. A dress as a top. A tie as a belt. I mean, hey, the list goes on. The world is your oyster. Way number 5. Okay, way number 5. Way number 5. I'm gonna give full credit to this TikToker. I have flipped jumpers and stuff before, but I'm not gonna lie, I fully got this idea. Like, I thought this was so cool, so I'm gonna do it, but like, I follow this person. Depending on if you would wear the actual shrug thing, you can just turn it into a hat, a scarf, and gloves. You take the hoodie, you cut the shrug shape. I call it a shrug and Americans call it a bolero. I don't know who's right. There is some sewing in this, I will say. You sew the little beanie thing, get the little strings, add the stars, or if you don't want to add stars, or you could add bows, that could be cute. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I hope it looks great. I think that makes sense. If you're worried about your jumper unraveling, you can either, 1, if you're really lazy, put clear nail polish on the underneath. 2, you can use iron on hem. It looks like tape. You lay it on and then you fold it over and you iron it. And then the third way is genuinely just like sewing it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And even if that thing just isn't for you, the main point for this step is that you can totally cut up anything that you have and wear it a different way. Use the fabric of the thing that you don't wear anymore to put on stuff that you do want to wear. Shout out the leg warmer tutorial video. And then suddenly you're like, oh my god, I can cut up so many things. Trust me, once you do it one time, there's no going back. Have fun. And then also when someone's like, oh my god, I like your thing, where did you get it? You can say, I made it. And then you can point them to this video and tell them to watch me and subscribe to me. If you made anything from this video, tweet with hashtag smidgezz, tag me, or don't. Just comment, this sucks, I hate you. No, don't say that, actually. Leave a like, even, to undo what you were just about to type. By the way, thank you for 5k. I was like, whoa, thanks. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday on Twitch, so go say hi to me there. New fashion videos every Friday. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.